Good morning, hello and welcome to Study MCQ YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about some important polity MCQ, important articles, question, answer and discussion. Now, first question. Which article of the Indian Constitution empower Parliament to legislate on a subject of the state list? Option A, Article 262. Option B, Article 275. C. Article 280. Option D. Article 249. Right answer is 249. Article 262 deal with dispute between interstate river. 275 grants from union to state. 280 finance commission. Next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution does the President declare financial emergency? Article 352, Article 356, Article 360, Article 368. Right answer of this question is 360. Now, 352 deals with national emergency. 356 state emergency. 368 power of parliament to amend the constitution. Next, which article of the Indian Constitution provides that any law passed in violation of fundamental right is void? Article 14, Article 17, Article 32, Article 13. Right answer of this question is option D. Article 14, equality before law. Article 17 deals abolition of untouchability. Article 32, constitutional remedies. Next question. Which of the following article of Indian Constitution enunciate fundamental duties? Article 50 on, option B Article 40, option C Article 44, option D Article 50 on A. Right answer of this question is option D Article 50 on A. Now details. Article 50 on deals with promotion of international peace and security. Article 40 organization of village panchayat. Article 44 uniform civil code. Next question. Which of the following article of Indian Constitution empower the governor to issue ordinance? Article 124. Option B Article 213. Option C Article 123. Option D Article 110. Right answer of this question is option Article 213. Article 124. Establishment of Supreme Court. 123 Ordinance making power of President. 110 Definition of money bill. Next. Under which article of Indian Constitution a High Court can issue writs to protect the fundamental rights? Option A 32, option B Article 213, option C Article 226, option D Article 112. Right answer of this question is Article 226. 226. Article 42 deals with constitutional remedies. 213 governor can issue ordinance. 112 budget. Next question. Which of the following article of Indian Constitution empower the President to appoint CAG, Controller and Auditor General? Option A Article 80, option B Article 76, option C Article 148, option D Article 111. 111. Right answer of this question is option C Article 148. Now details. Article 80 Composition of Council of State. 76 Attorney General of India. 111 Assent to a Bill. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.